Talk about sports. I enjoy playing sports, especially football. I play football with my friends every weekend. It's a fun way to exercise and stay healthy. I also like watching football matches on TV. My favorite football team is Vietnam, and I always watch their games. Do you enjoy playing sports? Yes, I do. Do I enjoy playing sports? Yes, you do. What do you enjoy? I enjoy playing sports. Who enjoys playing sports? I do. Do you enjoy cooking or playing sports? I enjoy playing sports. Why do you enjoy playing sports? Because it's fun. Do you enjoy playing video games? No, I enjoy playing sports. Do you like football especially? Yes, I do. Do I like football especially? Yes, you do. What sport do you like especially? Football. Do you like football or basketball more? I like football more. Why do you like football? Because it's exciting. Is football your favorite sport? Yes, it is. Do you like every sport the same? No, I like football especially. Do you play football every weekend? Yes, I do. Do I play football with my friends? Yes, you do. Who do you play football with? With my friends. When do you play football? Every weekend. Do you play football or tennis? I play football. Where do you play football? At the park. Do you play football alone? No, with my friends. Is football a fun way to exercise? Yes, it is. Is it boring to exercise? No, it's fun. Why do you play football? To exercise and stay healthy. What is a fun way to stay healthy? Playing football. Do I stay healthy by playing football? Yes, you do. Is watching TV a way to stay healthy? No, playing football is. Do you play football for fun or for health? For both. Do you like watching football on TV? Yes, I do. Do I like watching football matches? Yes, you do. What do you like watching on TV? Football matches. Where do you watch football matches? On TV. Do you like watching movies or football? I like watching football. Why do you watch football on TV? Because it's exciting. Do you watch football or play it more? I do both. Is Vietnam your favorite team? Yes, it is. Is your favorite football team Brazil? No, it's Vietnam. What is your favorite football team? Vietnam. Whose favorite football team is Vietnam? Mine. Do I like the Vietnam football team? Yes, you do. Which team do you like best? Vietnam. Why is Vietnam your favorite team? Because they're great. Do you always watch their games? Yes, I do. Do I watch their games sometimes? No, you always watch them. Whose games do you watch? Vietnam's games. When do you watch their games? Always. Do you miss their games? No, I never miss them. Why do you watch all their games? Because I like the team. Do you watch other teams' games? No, just Vietnam.